Hello, my dear viewers. Hello, my dear friends. Hello, my dear professionalists. Now I shall take you to one video where the Supreme Court judges have punished the Bar Council member of Tamil Nadu. And for your information, I am going to file my petition for videographic conferencing in my pleadings. A lawyer gets intimate with woman at a virtual hearing, suspended. The Madras High Court bench said it cannot afford to be a mute spectator and turn a Nelson's eye when such brazen vulgarity is publicly displayed. An advocate of Madras High Court was suspended yesterday from practice for his alleged improper behavior with a woman during the course of the virtual hearing of a case before a single judge. R.D. Sandana Krishnan, an advocate from here, was prevented from practicing as an advocate in all courts, tribunals and other authorities in India, either in his name or in any assumed name, till the disposal of the disciplinary proceedings pending against him for allegedly indecent behavior. A press release from Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. Hello, my dear viewers. It is not a new thing. It is not a new subject in Bar Council. Bar Council is suffering from illegality, immorality. Illegality in the court, that is contempt of court, and illegality in the profession, that means professional misconduct, illegality in other misconduct, that is misconduct towards act and rules in payment of tax. For your information, I am telling you that I am going to the Supreme Court judges for video conferencing pleading because I have said in other videos that Supreme Court judges are my dads and moms. I speak Bhagavad Gita, I breathe Bhagavad Gita, and I perform yoga for my benefit. I'm sorry, and not for my benefit. I perform yoga and breathe yoga, recite yoga for the national interest. In the national interest, I perform my duty to curb this corruption, nepotism, influence peddling, narcissism, professional misconduct, and other misconduct of advocates, police, doctors, and chartered accountants. Hello, my dear dad. I have a right to call you as my dad, and I have a right to call the Madam Judge or woman judge as mom or mother. You may not be the real father, and you may not be the real dad. You may not be the real mother or you madam also. According to Bhagavad Gita, you are my dad, and you are my mother, you are my grandfather, and you are my universe, you are my world. Please listen. पिता अहमस्य जगतः माता दाताः पितामहाः वेद्यं पवित्रं ओंकारं ऋक् साम यजुः एव चः. You are my medicine, you are my drug, you are my mantra, you are my advisor. In another sloka in Bhagavad Gita, it is narrated that Suhrun Mitra Ari Udasina Madhyastaha Dvesha Bandhushu Sadhushu Apichaha Papeshu Samabuddhi Vishishyate. During the course of proceedings, in my pleadings, in video conferencing, you are expected to see me equally. Suhrun Mitra Ari Udasina Madhyastaha. I don't know how to explain these words, but you please refer Bhagavad Gita and know this thing, because I want to present my case of illegality, immorality, and contempt of court and professional misconduct and other misconduct by advocates of Tamil Nadu. I intend to plead for the dismissal of 4 judges below the rank of principal district judge, and I want to dismiss I want to dismiss 4 advocates for document theft, document embezzlement from the court, and document sale to my opponent tenant, and for misconduct and rent theft. Thank you, my dad. Thank you, my mom. Thank you and thank you. Please admit me as videographic conferencing. I am yoga. I recite Bhagavad Gita for your benefit. Oh, mother and father, please listen to my pleading and give your verdict. The portfolio judges P.N. Prakash and R. Hemalata, on their own initiated contempt proceedings against Santana Krishnan, they directed the CBCID wing of the police to register the case and hold a thorough probe on the issue and file a report on December 23rd. The portfolio judges P.N. Prakash and R. Hemalata, on their own initiated contempt proceedings against Santana Krishnan, they directed the CBCID wing of the police to register the case and hold a thorough probe on the issue and file a report on December 23rd. The judges also directed the Tamil Nadu Bar Council to take appropriate disciplinary action against the lawyer, and accordingly, if prohibited Santana Krishnan from practicing by adopting the resolution today. The video purportedly showed the lawyer in an intimate posture with a woman while a judge was hearing a case through video conferencing on Monday. It went viral yesterday. The bench yesterday said that the court cannot afford to be a mute spectator and turned Nelson's eye when such brazen vulgarity is publicly displayed amidst court proceedings. It directed the City Police Commissioner to take steps to block the circulation of the impinged video clipping. in social media. I found this Santana Krishnan, advocate, misbehaved with woman. My dad, my lord, my mom. I want to say that this is the regular thing going on in Madurai trial courts. One judge was caught by me at about 7:30 in the court when no one was there, and he was asking the woman clerks, 3 clerks, to present their documents for initials of the subject. The name of the subject is S. Muthukumaran. He is BSc ML. This fool is telling that woman, Nada Uruvada, Mudiya Pirichi Virichikat. So this is a very bad slang language, and he should be dismissed immediately. He should be, or at least he should be kept in suspension till the inquiry is completed. And another district munsif by name Bharati, he was having an affair with that bench clerk woman. My lord, my mom, my dad. When the bench clerk woman is giving giving the bundle, that is court documents bundle, that fellow was putting the finger in the inside her palm. This I watched, and the magistrate also found, and he told me on the camera, before the camera, on 25/2/2019, that I should get out from the court. I told that I don't have a business on the court, but I have a thing, I have to see what is going on between the judge and the bench clerk woman. That bench clerk woman I don't know, but the date is 25/2/2019. I reported the matter to the Madurai bench judge, Mr. N. Krubakaran. He has not done anything on this subject. He just took my document which contains about 45 pages, and he kept in his locker and went out. I have a proof of registration of the document to him. This is very, very bad that the High Court judge should close the file of his own. And this same High Court judge has committed that immorality and illegality is very prominent in the Bar Council and in the court also. He has committed in the court that a lot of corruption is going on in the trial court and in High Court also. And it is very unfortunate that my dad at Madurai Bench High Court should comment like this and lock my document in the dustbin without action. My dear dad of Supreme Court, my dear mother of Supreme Court, please permit me in video conference. I shall write a letter to you in a week's time. Thank you, thank you.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी को नमस्कार, उनके समर्थकों को नमस्कार, सम्मानित नेता सोनिया जी को नमस्कार, उनके संबंध नेताओं को नमस्कार, भाइयों और बहनों को नमस्कार, सभी भारतवासियों को नमस्कार। आपको और आपके परिवार को शुभकामनाएं। The Bhagavad Gita narrates that God will descend to protect when in need. यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिः भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजामि अहम्। Prime Minister Modi ji and his team of ministers will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of India and the rules of India towards sovereign, socialist, secular democracy. Amen. With the active support of the learned Prime Minister Modi ji, I uphold the value of the Parliament and the integrity of the Indian Constitution. I will neutralize the dividing forces to combat the evil as a challenge to my motherland in yoga towards sovereign, socialist, secular democracy. So help me God in yoga.